Welcome back to Bostin British Fittle, where Maggie and I aim to bring you as many varieties of different British foods as we possibly can. Today I'm sitting with the Welsh mountains in the background and Maggie, as you can see. And here we're going to be trying Welsh soda bread with Caerphilly cheese. This Welsh creamy Caerphilly cheese sits on top of Welsh soda bread, which is made with flour, bicarbonate of soda, a pinch of salt and buttermilk. Right, soda bread itself has its roots actually in American history, when they wanted to make bread without the use of yeast and used bicarb of soda instead. But this bread I've used purposely because it's made with fresh ingredients, freshly made the old-fashioned way in the Welsh Talgarth bakery. So I had to try it. Now, Caerphilly cheese originates in Caerphilly, which is located just here, Caerphilly, just a few miles north of Cardiff, Newport, and not far from Swansea. Caerphilly cheese has four main qualities that made it especially liked by the Welsh, especially Welsh miners. One, it was a way of using up milk before it went sour or curdled or just went off. Two, its thick rind that it was usually coated in make it very easy to transport, so you could hold that, especially when you were trying to eat it. Its salt content helped restore some of the minerals that was lost to the hard labour given into the mines. And fourthly, it didn't dry out. It was a moist cheese, so even when you had it in the mines, it wasn't dry or arid, especially when you've been working for so long. It needs some moisture in your body. Hi guys, before we go any further, please don't forget to follow, like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get updates on all the other British foods I'm going to try. And if you can think of any other British foods that I might like to try, go on to my Blue Sky account, bostinbritfittle.bluesky.social, and don't forget to also check out my Instagram page for all the British foods that I'll have tried, and you can see all the images on there. All right, thanks very much and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, let's give it a try. The bread is very chewy, but the cheese, very creamy, not very strong. Excuse me, not very strong. Forgive me, the bread is very chewy, but very nice. So to do the bread again, the crunchiness of the top of the bread is amazing. But it's its chewy texture which really sells the soda bread. It's a lovely soft taste as well. But what does the pupper think? What does the pupper think? Okay, so here we go with some of the cheese and the bread and the poppers into it. Straight away with the cheese and enjoying the chewy texture of the bread as well.